Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen essential that promises to make your garlic prep cleaner and easier. We found the Joseph CleanForce manual garlic press and mincer online, and we've added a link in the description for you to check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Joseph CleanForce? This innovative kitchen tool is a manual garlic press designed not just for efficiency but also for cleanliness. Unlike traditional garlic presses, this one comes with a unique design that features a powerful squeezing mechanism and a built-in wiper blade. This combination allows you to crush garlic cloves with ease while ensuring that the cleanup process is as hassle-free as possible. Let's talk about the standout features of the CleanForce. First and foremost, the powerful, easy squeeze design makes pressing garlic a breeze. Whether you're a cooking novice or an experienced chef, you'll appreciate how simple it is to crush garlic with minimal effort. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, allowing for smooth operation without straining your hands. One of the most ingenious features of this garlic press is the trigger-operated wiper blade. This wiper efficiently removes the crushed garlic from the pressing chamber, ensuring that none of your precious garlic goes to waste. No more scraping and digging your fingers in to get every last bit out, just a quick swipe, and you're done. Additionally, the CleanForce includes a handy cleaning tool designed to tackle any stubborn garlic bits or skins that may be trapped in the crushing plate. This tool conveniently stores inside the handle, making it easy to keep everything organized and ensuring you have what you need right at your fingertips. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you love cooking with fresh garlic but dread the mess that comes with it, this garlic press is perfect for you. It's ideal for home cooks, professional chefs, and anyone who wants to simplify their meal prep. Whether you're whipping up a quick pasta sauce, marinating meats, or preparing a vibrant garlic bread, the CleanForce will streamline your cooking experience. Let's explore a few practical use cases. Imagine you're hosting a dinner party and need to prepare a delicious garlic-infused dish. With the CleanForce, you can quickly crush multiple cloves of garlic without the hassle of sticky fingers or a messy countertop. Or perhaps you're meal prepping for the week. This garlic press allows you to get all your garlic ready in one go, saving you time and effort. Even for those who might have physical limitations or find gripping tools challenging, the CleanForce ergonomic design makes it accessible and easy to use. It's a fantastic addition to any kitchen, regardless of skill level. In conclusion, the Joseph CleanForce manual garlic press and mincer with wiper is a game changer for anyone who loves to cook with garlic. Its thoughtful design, powerful performance, and easy cleanup make it a must-have tool in every kitchen. If you're tired of the mess that comes with crushing garlic, the CleanForce might just be the solution you've been looking for. Thanks for watching.